Good morning YouTube, this is Alex from California. This is a why-to video explaining why the details of how I built my compost tumbler. This one is for Belinda, this one is portable. Our friends told us to use black plastic because it will generate more heat inside and it will speed up the decomposition process. Any color barrel will work, we just decided to go for this one and try it out. All the hardware by the door. It's supported by a short piece of wood on the inside, and you are able to put the screws through it against the wood on the back. Top and bottom. Use a small lock for child safety. You can drill holes across. I put about 5 across times 4, and do not make them too big or you're going to spend more time sweeping the ground. Once you get the balance right and you spin the barrel, you stop the barrel and it's supposed to hold. If it doesn't, don't worry about it too much because you're going to have material inside and that will hold it in place. As far as the side hardware, I added a bolt near the center and then another one towards the bottom, and whatever you do on one side, counterweight, counterbalance on the other side. This is to break the material. Now I put them only on the sides away from the door, so that when I am working inside and sweeping with my gloves left and right inside the barrel, I would not get any cuts or scratches from the bolts. They are 5 inches long. This one here is also 5/16, 5 inches long, using a locking nut and washer. The wood is flexible, you can over tighten everything, you're gonna hear wood cracking and breaking, just make it tight and stop. I use a top fence chain link pole. This is 1 1/4 inch and it goes right through the barrel. I use a PVC pipe. This is 1 1/2 inch, and to make it loose for minimum friction, this will support the center of the barrel if you fill it up too much from pushing against the frame. And I added a washer, 50-cent washer from the nuts and bolts specialty store. This type of washers, they may not sell them at your local hardware store. I drill a small hole, I put a screw through there, you can see it going through the middle there, and stop. It's just to hold it in place for added security. The wood framing construction all around, I'm a visual learner. I needed to test the height to see how it works. I went ahead and got one of those plastic chain link insert pieces. I put a small screw with the washer to prevent the screw from breaking all the way through. And then once I got the height right, I went ahead and cut the additional wood, small screws all around for support. And then I did not want anything in the front. I wanted to be able to work in this area, be able to fit a wheelbarrow underneath. I did not want to trip and fall with anything. If you're concerned about front leg safety, you can go ahead and put pots underneath the front or the back and then add some cement to it, and that will give it extra support. It will also make it heavier if you're concerned with that. The gravity alone will hold the barrel and the pipe in place. And metal and plastic makes a great combination, and it spins easily, minimum wear and tear. Whatever you do, keep all your materials, your tools, use goggles if you're cutting, sanding, grinding. Keep other people away from danger. Keep it cheap, keep it simple, have fun, take pride in your work, make it happen. You can over-engineer something, keep buying the best stuff out there in the store, and never get started with your project. Grab some leftovers here and there, whatever you can find. Keep it cheap, keep it simple, have fun, have a good time, everybody.